Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I wanted to do a tutorial for early childhood educators who would like to start playing baritone, ukulele or guitar. And this is a great song about pirates and sea, so it's one of those chanties. So it's called Going Over the Sea or When I Was One. And there are only two chords in this song. Number one is G and number two is D7. So G and D7. So the song is quite fun. So it goes for 5 verses and it's pretty cool. The most important thing when you play this song is to create a sort of a lilt. Yes, so because you are going this way and that way, forward and backwards, and that's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is to play the first verse and then I will explain how did I do it. When I was one, I played the drum, going over the sea. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me. So what I was doing is picking the strings like that. Thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick. It's a very interesting picking pattern, but it creates this sort of a lilt again. Shall we do it again? When I was one, I played a drum, changing the chords to G7, going over the back to G, C. I jumped aboard a pirate ship and D7 captain said to me. And now we're gonna sing the chorus, which is we're going this way and that way, and we will need D7, and we will still do this picking because it's a lilting kind of vibe. We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea. We going this way and that way, forward and backward over the Irish Sea. So that's a very simple song to learn, which is called Going Over the Sea. So 2 chords, G and D7, and new picking pattern, which is thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick, thumb, pick. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and play baritone if you're a teacher.